What is up, YouTube? It's me, it's Scott Damon, once again with another video coming to you live and direct from my home. I'm finally back home. Arrived back from the hospital last night after 2 weeks of recupery and recovery. Now today I have a review, and this is dedicated to the brave men and women that soared our galaxy and into the cosmos. The National Aeronautics Space Administration, or NASA, based right here in Florida at Kennedy Space Center, where focusing on this first one right here, have a rocket. Apparently, it it is a Let me get a better shot for you. This right there, as you can see, main solid rocket booster that is right there to send it into orbit. And 6 stages. That includes the module. We'll get a better shot of the module right there. This is an Atlas V rocket. And was the first ever to be used back in the late 1960s. And right over here is the space shuttle that you see. Very nice view. Space shuttle. Matchbox Skybusters has a space shuttle in its collection. And and that space vehicle is not here. So I had to settle for this one from the summer of 2022. This is a 2022, well, a 2021 release. And have a satellite right over here that you can see. Let me get a better view of the satellite. And come around on this side. And got a rock from the lunar surface representing our country, the United States of America. And Space Adventure, which is that space camp at Kennedy Space Center, right here in Florida, near Kennedy Space Center in Titusville. Got the RV that brings the astronauts to the launch pad, and you can see it right there. And our vehicle that is used for the lunar surface of the moon. And some some fuel tanks on top of it. Very nice shot. Okay, guys, that is it for this review. I would like to say thank you very much for watching. Please like, share this video. Press the press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the notification button to be notified of any further videos. For now, this is Scott Diamond signing off for now. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.